how to teleport to your last death point in Minecraft. So this first method I'm going to show you is going to work for Minecraft, Bedrock, and Java. So I'm just going to jump off this cliff first to show you that I will need to go back right here and to teleport right here on my death point. So I just died, and now we're going to respawn and we need to go back to that place. Now once you have respawned, you will need to have a recovery compass, and to do that, just simply need to go to the crafting table and get yourself a compass and some echo shards and put the compass right here. So and put echo shards around it. And as you can see, we will now have a recovery compass. So just simply get that. So just switch to creative just to show you guys how to get it. And now we have our compass right here. Now we just need to follow the compass to where it points, so the direction. So direction points here. So we just need to simply go straight to this direction that the compass is telling us to. So just simply go there, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm on the destination. And now, as you can see, guys, we are now back on the place where we died earlier. So our death point is right here. This is our XP points, and the oak that we had earlier is right here. So that's basically how we do the first method. So the second method is way more different. Now I'm just going to reset my death point and do the second method right here. I'm just going to jump again. As you can see, I have our rare item, which is a diamond sword, which we will be using later. So now I'm just going to respawn again. As you can see right here. Now we will be using a code. So I have mine right here. So I'm just going to put it on the description for you guys to use. So earlier I said that I had a diamond sword. So you need a rare item since we will be TPing to that rare item. So let's say you had an obsidian or something, or a trident, or any item that can be rare on that point that you were earlier. Or let's say there's no obsidian around you. So the closest one that you can TP to is from your death point. Once that's done, just simply type in this. You could also change this if you want to change the item that you lost. Once it's done, just simply type and enter. As you can see, you'll be TP'd right there. And as you can see, this was the death point that we had earlier, and I now have my diamond sword again. That's how you basically teleport to your death point in Minecraft.